We are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Honda CB500X. This is the lightweight adventure bike, twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This one's got ABS brakes. It's also equipped with that nice engine guard. Only 700 miles on this beautiful condition CB500X. Come on by, make your lightweight adventure style dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.